unbox and review the brand new BoxyCharm 2.0. They have a couple of differences between the previous one and the new one. One of the most important one, and a lot of people are talking about, is the difference in prices. The previous one was $21, this one is $25. Also, instead of being $100 worth value, now it's $125. The new BoxyCharm rebranding, basically they have 3 different boxes now that you can get. You can get the regular BoxyCharm, you can get the premium BoxyCharm, and you can get the Boxy lots. If you want to receive the 3 boxes, that is perfectly fine. But if you want to receive every 3 months the BoxyCharm lots, you have to and you must to be subscribed to the regular $25 box. Let's see what products we receive with the BoxyCharm 2.0 for the month of November. Here is the information of the BoxyCharm. This one is a little more thin. It's more like a paper feeling than the other one for the BoxyCharm Premium. Here are all the information and the products, and let's go with the order they are printed here. First product I see here is the Dominic Cosmetic. This is an eyeshadow palette, Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. This is worth $35, and I never had tried anything from her brand, and I'm very happy and gladly to receive it in my BoxyCharm because I wanted to try her brand for the longest that I remember. It came like this, very protected. Here is the little palette, and it's super cute. It has a couple of shades. It has 8 shades, and here are all the colors that this little palette brings. It has a small mirror. I'm probably gonna be able to use this one if I fly somewhere and I wanna bring something small. It's very lightweight and the pants are very big. I really like how they look like. Everything about this palette is very soft and sophisticated in the sense of the way and how it's displayed and everything. Obviously the colors are very dark and kind of like thunder. Very dramatic. The next product is by the brand Juicy Beauty, and this is an anti-wrinkle eye treatment. This is worth $50. The description of this product says that it has vitamin C, is infused with organic antioxidants, and it helps with the appearance of fine lines under the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. As I mentioned, this is $50, and the applicator is this little guy right here, which will make it very easy to apply under your eyes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or I'm gonna give it to somebody, but I think this is a nice product in general. It doesn't seem extremely overpriced as the products that we got from the BoxyCharm Premium, which was the eye cream for $150. This eye cream I'm talking about, super expensive. Next product that I see is this lipstick, matte lipstick by the brand Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Day Night and it's $18. Let's see how it looks like, and it's this beautiful red color. It's so beautiful. There you go. It's spectacular. I love the color. I love the shade. Oh my god, this is so beautiful and nice. The next product is these 2 eye masks. This is worth $10, and it says that it encourages the circulation around the eye area and aid depuffing the eyes and relaxing them. It increases the circulation and it helps with the dryness. So this is a very nice concept. I like it. It says that it self-warms, so it will feel warm after a few seconds of being wearing it under your eyes. It said don't wear more than 20 minutes and it will help you to relax and sleep better. Sounds amazing. He also mentioned a little bit it might help with migraines. The final item is a product that I actually recommended you on my Sephora recommendation for the VIP sale. Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. This is a beautiful product. It is worth $39. So now I have a backup of this product, and I'm telling you, I really been liking it. This product hydrates my skin very nicely. I have combo skin and I'm very picky of the products that I use for hydrating because sometimes some of them are too strong. This one is a nice mix, and it doesn't really make my face greasy or overly hydrated, or it's not like too little hydration. It's just a good balance. I really like this product. Very happy the BoxyCharm sent it to me because it's a very good product and it's expensive. Next product is this sample of concealers. BoxyCharm right now is trying to figure out what colors are you in concealers and foundations. They ask you information about it, and they are taking a step further, sending you samples. They're probably gonna be asking me what are these shades work with me better. I highly appreciate that they're doing this because concealers and foundations sometimes are very picky and tricky to pick. I don't know if that's gonna work, because of that problem, but if it does work, amazing that they start sending you concealers and other type of products. As you know, foundations are very expensive these days, especially high-end foundations, so that will be very, very nice if they start sending foundations. Let's see how much is my box worth. We have the eyeshadows that is $35. We have the Juicy Beauty eye wrinkle treatment that is $50. We have the Dose of Colors that is $18. We have the mask for the eyes that are $10, and we have the For Sally product that is $39. And the price of the entire box is $152, so definitely worth it. It's $25, right? Just by this little guy right here, I have my day made, because I really like that product. If you ask me which BoxyCharm I like better, I will say I like the $25 regular BoxyCharm better than the $35 BoxyCharm. Especially this month, I think I will take more advantage of all the products that they send me in the regular BoxyCharm. But again, they sent me this product and I really, really like this palette. This is the Natasha Denona Blue and Blush Glow palette. And I was looking for this palette for the longest, so they sent me this. I'm already happy. But in general, I think the $25 will be just okay, especially if you want to receive the Boxy Lots every 3 months. Also, color lipstick looks amazing. So I really like this box. I really do. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative for all of you and it give you a little bit more insight of what's going on with BoxyCharm. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup videos and also a little bit of fashion. Also give a big thumbs up. Make me a comment down below what of these products you like the best, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to drive